Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to translate an email message in another language on Gmail. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To translate an email message into another language on Gmail, go to your browser and open the mailbox. Now I am going to open the email message and I want to translate this email message to another language. Click on three dot icon to show more, and here you will find an option translate message. Click on translate message. Here you will find a gear icon. Click on the gear icon. Now select the current language as detect language. Click on detect language, and my current language is English. That's why I'm selecting English, and then again click on the gear icon, and now click on the translating language, the second option, and now select the language in which you want to translate the email message. I'm selecting Chinese. The message is translating. Look, the message is translated into Chinese language. If you want to go back to the original language, click on show original here, and look, the message is converted into the original language. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.